Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to fix Instagram app keep crashing on your Samsung Galaxy devices. First of all, make sure your Instagram app update with latest version. Open the Play Store. Tap on a profile icon at top right corner. Tap on Manage Apps and Device. Tap on Manage. Here you can find Instagram app on your device. Tap on Instagram app. If available update your app in your device. If you still facing issue, clear the Instagram app cache on your device. Go to settings, tap on apps, scroll down, tap on apps. In apps list, find the Instagram app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Scroll down until find Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Tap on a storage. In a usage section, tap on a clear cache at bottom. You can also clear data. Tap on clear data. Tap on OK. It will delete all your Instagram app data including files, settings, account. Tap on OK to delete Instagram data. You can also check for system software update on your Samsung. Go to settings, scroll down and tap on a software update. Tap on download and install. If available update, then update your Samsung device. Here you can see if update is available. If you still facing issue on your device, post up Instagram apps. To go to apps, scroll down and find the Instagram app. Tap on it. Tap on a post stop at the bottom. Tap on OK to post stop your Instagram app. If none of the above given method work, you need to uninstall Instagram app on your Samsung Galaxy. Long press the app, tap on uninstall, tap on OK to uninstall the app. Now you need to install Instagram app. Go to Play Store, tap on profile icon, search the apps Instagram and install in your device. And check if the Instagram keep crashing issue or not. That's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.